Would you be able to envision that in this world there is an organic product that is so heavenly and nutritious that goats will actually climb trees to get to them? Inside that flavorful natural product is a little nut, which gives us argan oil. For some, numerous years, those that live in the Argan Forest in Morocco have extricated this oil, which fills some needs. Argan oil is stuffed with vitamin N and vitamin E, both of which have recuperating properties. It likewise contains linoleic corrosive, cell reinforcements and omega-6 unsaturated fats. On the off chance that you claim any top-of-the-line beauty care products or hair supplies, you will probably discover argan oil recorded in their fixings. While a jug of 100% argan oil is expensive, you will just need to utilize maybe a couple drops a day, so it will keep going you quite a while. In the present video, we will examine our best 10 approaches to execute argan oil into your day-by-day magnificence schedule. 1. Skin toner. Argan oil can keep your skin clean. To utilize, start with some boiling water. Pour the water over a green tea pack and let soak for 7 to 10 minutes. At that point, evacuate the tea pack and convey the tea to room temperature. Next, include maybe a couple drops of your most loved basic oil. We would suggest orange, lemon, or tea tree. 2. Evening time moisturizer. In light of the vitamin N and vitamin E that are in argan oil, it is extraordinary to use as an evening lotion. The oil assimilates into your skin rapidly and won't leave your skin oily. 3. Skin inflammation. Argan oil is high in linoleic corrosive, which diminishes irritation in your skin caused by skin inflammation, rashes, bug nibbles and skin contaminations. It can even lower the sebum levels in your body to battle oily skin. 4. Peeling. Obtaining shedding items in the store can be expensive. Fortunately, we found a do-it-without-anyone's help exfoliator utilizing argan oil that expels dead skin cells as well as battles indications of maturing. 5. Razor bumps and burn. An issue that maladies the two men and ladies alike is razor consume. Argan oil can relieve the inconvenience and recuperate the aroused skin. Utilized maybe a couple drops of argan oil and back rub into the influenced zone. The region will mend rapidly and you will likewise diminish the odds of getting ingrown hairs. 6. Extend marks. Argan oil can make your skin more flexible and thusly can keep extend marks from shaping. This is on the grounds that the vitamin N and vitamin E help to renew and saturate your skin. You can achieve this by utilizing a few drops of argan oil to rub into the skin of your stomach, hips, thighs, or some other zone of concern. 7. Lip conditioner. Argan oil can help the skin of your lips, also. Essentially utilize maybe a couple drops as a chapstick substitute and wipe away any overabundance. The oil will mend broke lips and keep them shielded from the components. 8. Leave-in conditioner and styling. As we talked about before, argan oil isn't oily and is an ideal expansion to your hair styling as a leave-in conditioner. The oil will tame your hair, ensure your hair against the components and repair any split closures. 9. Dry feet and heels. As you can envision, argan oil can help treat any broke or dry skin on your feet and rear areas. Simply rub 2 drops onto your feet and give careful consideration to the dry or split territories. In the event that your skin is particularly dry, you may need to add a couple of more drops to appropriately saturate your feet. 10. Nails. Since argan oil isn't oily, it is likewise awesome to use on your nails and fingernail skin. The oil conditions the nails and your fingernail skin to keep hangnails from shaping. Make certain to evacuate any nail clean and wash your hands and feet before applying. At that point, spot only a small amount of 1 drop straightforwardly onto each nail. Do this each one in turn and rub the oil into your nail in formal lodging. Keep the oil on until the point when you have finished all nails. At that point, make sure to wash your hands and feet all together. You would then be able to include nail clean on the off chance that you so want.